and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to be showing you around this Volkswagen Sharan. It's the SEL version, finished in black. So you've got your chrome window surrounds and roof rails, you've got tinted windows. On the inside you've got your 3 seats there, and then a further 2 in the rear that you can fold down if you do need a larger boot space. You've got the trays on the back of the seats, really handy for the kids, and you've got USB charging points down there for their iPads or tablets. So I'll show you around to the back. So the open boot. So as you can see, you can fold those 2 seats down and make a larger boot, but you have got some space in there as it is. Is a perfect family car if that's what you're looking for. So we'll have a look on the inside and I'll show you some of the features. So you've got part leather seats, I'll start it up. So down here you've got your heated seats, your climate control, parking sensors. This one's automatic, so you've got your automatic gear here. On the screen you've got your radio, you can connect your phone, you've got sat nav, app connect, so you can connect via app connect. You've got your multi-function steering wheel and automatic headlights. Now the best feature is the electric sliding panoramic sunroof. You can see that there. Even on a miserable day it's still letting in loads of light to the car, and you can control that with this button over here. So if you'd like any more information or if you've got any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.